A red die has the standard numbers 1 through 6 on its faces. A blue die has the negatives, -1 through -6 on its faces. Determine the probability that the sum of the up faces when the two dice are rolled is a negative. So there's 6 faces here and 6 faces here. So that means in total, our total probability is out of 36. So now the question is, how many different ways can we get a negative? Well, if I roll a 1 on the red, there's 5 different faces for blue that will make it negative. If I roll a 2 on the red, then there's only 4 outcomes. If I roll a 3, then there's 3 possibilities. So as you notice, the higher the red number goes, the fewer ways you can have a negative. So by the time you get to a 6, you can't roll a negative. The lowest you can roll is a 0, but anything else will result in a positive. So when we add these up, we get 15 out of 36, and that reduces to 5 out of 12.